In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simple process of changing your language settings on Google Drive. Whether you've been practicing a new language or you're just looking to switch back to your native tongue, adjusting the language settings can truly enhance your user experience. To get started, you need to visit the Google homepage. Open your preferred web browser and head over to google.com. Once there, look towards the upper right side of the page. You'll see a small circle icon, which usually contains your profile picture if you're signed in. Click on this icon to ensure that you're logged in with your Google account, because making changes to your Drive's language settings requires being signed in. If you're not logged in already, simply click on Sign In and enter your credentials. Now that you're logged in, navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by either typing drive.google.com directly into your search bar or by using the waffle icon, which is that small grid you see near your profile picture. This icon provides quick access to various Google services, including Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, focus your attention on the top right corner of the page again. You're looking for the gear icon, which symbolizes settings. Click this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. In the settings pane that opens up, which at first glance might seem a tad overwhelming with all the different options, you should focus on the left side of the screen. Locate and click on the option that says Language. This is where you can tweak the language settings to your preference. Upon selecting Language, you'll see a drop-down list of available languages. Scroll through this list until you find the language you wish to use. With Google supporting a wide array of languages, you're bound